Sometimes you can capitalize off of someone else's mistake, and this time we did. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a haul video for you today. I went to a local thrift store and found some stuff in this bag. Now, as you can see by the thumbnail, someone made a mistake, and I'll get to that when I get to the items where they made a mistake at, or at least where I think they made a mistake. Now, you guys can chime in down below in the comments and maybe tell me if your thrift stores do this same exact thing, and I'll explain when I get there. But we're gonna dive right into this. I don't have any footage from this thrift store because, one, they do not like us filming there. They do not. It's really kind of frowned upon anymore. Sometimes I try to grab some footage with my cell phone. This time I did not. So I'm gonna show you what I found. One of these, this was a cool item. Really cool item. I even still have the price tags on this. And I even did this like a week ago. It's been sitting here and I had to get this stuff listed. So I finally decided to do the video, but I'm gonna show you. I found this 2006 US Open Wingfoot volunteer jacket. It's actually a Marshall jacket. Super cool item. It's a large. It was probably only worn for that weekend. Paid $9.99 for it, 50% off. So about $4.98 for this nice jacket. There's a few on eBay, but they're only volunteer jackets. This thing should probably fetch about $30 to $40, I think, maybe even a little bit more with it being a Marshall jacket, but we will see, and hopefully you'll see this in a what sold video very shortly. Next up, we have this Guinness wall-mounted bottle opener. It's a metal bottle opener. You can attach it to a wall with some screws. They do not give you this. Oh yeah, they do. They actually give you the screws with it. We paid $2, or actually $1.50 for this. It was $2.99, 50% off. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. These do not sell for much, maybe $9 plus shipping. So it's not a huge money maker, but it's one of those items, especially when spring starts rolling around. I think these might do well because if somebody puts this out in their shed or outside, you have friends come over, pop a bottle of beer open. I would keep it for my shed, but honestly, we don't drink Guinness. So to me, this is kind of worthless, but hopefully it finds a good home. And I know you guys can kind of see what's in front of here, I think, because I can't tell where on the camera since I'm looking at this little screen with you guys. Next, we have a coffee mug. You guys know we love coffee mugs. I also did a video on how I ship coffee mugs. I'll put a link up above. This was a cool one. This is a, I thought this had a date on it. It doesn't. It's the green M&M mug here. Actually, really cool mug. Might not even been used. It says green right on the handle. We paid $1.99 for this. It's not a huge seller, but people do collect M&M stuff, so I think this will sell pretty good. I don't think it's going to stay long. I wish I could have got it listed before Christmas, but guess what? I didn't. So I should have it, though, listed before Christmas. We'll see if somebody buys it. It might not arrive on time. Next, we have 2 decks of playing cards. We paid $1 for this pack. It was in one of these bags right here. I'm actually going to open them up right now. But they are Delta Air playing cards. Never been opened. They're still sealed. Still have the seal up there. Yeah. Plastic coated. Came in a 2-pack. Now these, when I was looking these up, the sold comps on these are all over the place. But I figured with both sets here, I'm not sure what the difference between the white and blues are, but I figure, hey, I got the set of the white and the blue. I'm going to list these together, and then we'll see what we get. I'll probably start these out at $12.99, unless somebody comments below and tells me, hey, I sold these before. Here's what you should sell them for. But I'm going to do a little bit more research on these and hopefully find a good price to get them out of here. Starting next year, I'm going to have a new outlook on this. I have to start thinking about picking up stuff that's going to be quick flips. And here's why. We are not storage units here. I don't want to have to store all this stuff. You're probably thinking your death pile's huge. It is, but it's going to start dwindling down. Hopefully with the holidays coming up, I can get on a listing spree. Just take pictures one night, fill it up, list 20-25 things a night and get this thing down to next to nothing. Now there's some items in our death pile that it's going to take till spring to sell, just because that's just how it is. But I want to get this stuff down, because once come yard sale time again next year, I want to have a clear death pile ready to go. Now on to the item from the thumbnail. Here's where I say that they messed up at. Our thrift store every day goes in and changes the tags on items. How do I know this? I've went 2 days in a row, 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row, and I've seen the same item sitting there with different colored tags on it. Normally the tags that are 50 to 75% off are not on any good items. They're not items that you're typically going to buy for resale purposes. Sometimes people will buy them for their personal use, but for a reseller like me and you that's probably watching this, they're going to change the tags. Well, somebody messed up. Normally, you never find jeans that are 75% off. Sorry about that. I bumped the camera fell, the battery fell out. Luckily, the GoPro was able to repair my file, and I'm going to start showing, I almost dropped this thing again. But I'm gonna show you the next couple things. As I was telling you about the jeans, we found this pair. It was $9.99, 75% off. Now, like I said, you normally never find Levi's jeans 75% off. No holes, no tears, everything looks great. They're gonna get thrown in the wash. Be good to go. We haven't sold jeans in a while, and normally I wait till winter to sell them, just because that seems like the time jeans for me sells well, not in the summer. So, and last but not least, I found this pair for $9.99 again, 75% off. So not too bad for 3 pairs of jeans. I thought I honestly had more pairs of jeans, but we don't. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a quick haul video from the thrift store, which hasn't been that great recently. We have found some stuff there recently, but it just has not been as good as it used to be. I think it's really due to, there's a lot of resellers in our area, and they're going out there and trying to pick up stuff for their flea markets and stuff like that. I think that's why we don't have a lot of stuff. Plus, they are pricing this stuff super high, and it's just, you're not going to spend that if you're trying to go out and make a buck or two. But that's the way it is, and you have to adjust if you are a reseller. You just have to adjust to the times, and still you can find stuff. You can go out every day and find stuff if you wanted to from all these stores. You just have to do your research and press forward. So until next time, guys, remember, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. If it's red, turn it gray. Hit that bell notification, smash that thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Say hi. Say how you doing. Say, hey, great items. Or let us know anything about the items that we found that might help us listing them. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.